There are moments in life when we work so hard, give so much, and try our best to be valuable, yet somehow we are overlooked, ignored, taken for granted. This is the story of a young craftsman who gave everything to the world but lost himself along the way, until life taught him one of the most powerful lessons. Your value does not disappear, but you must know how to show it. In a quiet town, there lived a young man named Liam. He worked in a small workshop that produced tools for farmers. He was skilled, patient, and precise. He didn't talk much, but he worked with heart. Other workers joked, got lazy, and cut corners. But Liam, he did every task with dedication. Because that's what he learned from the person he admired, Mosiah's former teacher, Master Rowan, an old craftsman known for his wisdom. Master Rowan once told him, "If you want to be truly valuable, work as if your work is your name." Liam took those words seriously. He arrived early. He cleaned more than required. He fixed mistakes quietly. He helped others without asking for recognition. Soon, the entire workshop depended on him, but no one acknowledged him. Weeks turned into months. Months turned into years. The workers relied on him. The manager trusted him. The machines ran because of him. But his salary remained the same. His role remained the same. His value was known but unspoken. One day, a new worker joined. Less skilled, less responsible, but louder, confident, visible. And soon, he was praised. He was promoted. Liam watched in silence. His heart grew heavy. Is my work meaningless? Does no one see what I give? One evening, defeated, Liam went to visit Master Rowan. They sat together under an old tree by the river. Liam's voice broke. "Master, Primeta worked hard. I gave everything, but no one sees me. No one values what I do." The old master listened quietly, his eyes soft with understanding. Then he asked, "Tell me, Liam, have you ever noticed the street lamp in front of your house?" Liam nodded. "Of course, it's always there." The master smiled gently. "Yes, because it shines every night, without fail, without change, always. And because it never disappears, you no longer look at it. You no longer appreciate it. You forget it is even there." Liam felt something inside him tremble. Master Rowan said, "When someone is always available, others stop noticing their value. To make others remember you, sometimes you must step away." Liam understood. So the next day, for the first time in years, he did not show up to work. The workshop panicked. Machines malfunctioned. Orders were delayed. Everyone sighed, whereas Liam, "We need him." When he returned, the manager immediately called him in. He apologized to Liam. He raised Liam's salary. He gave him a more respected position. Liam felt seen. He really felt appreciated. And he thought he had learned the secret of worth, but he had only learned half. Feeling empowered, Liam began repeating this strategy. Every time he felt unappreciated, he disappeared. Once, then twice, then many times. At first, people worried. Then they grew frustrated. Then they adapted. They found new workers. They trained replacements. And slowly, the workshop stopped depending on Liam. One morning, the manager called him in. Not to promote him, but to release him. "We used to rely on you, but your inconsistency hurt us. We had to find someone we could trust." Liam walked out in silence. This time, no one ran after him. With nowhere to go, he returned to the same tree by the river, where Master Rowan sat as if waiting. Liam sank to the ground, ashamed. "Master, I tried to make them see my worth, but I only pushed them away." The old man nodded gently. "Yes, Liam, because you learned only the first half of the lesson." He looked toward the water. If a lamp shines constantly, people forget it. But if a lamp flickers too often, they replace it. The silence was deep. Then the master spoke the final truth. Your value is not just in your skill. Your value is in your reliability. Be present, but not invisible. Create space, but not distance. Shine, but don't disappear. This time, Liam didn't break. He listened, he reflected, and he grew. He took a new job. He worked steadily, not silently, not loudly, but with balance. He shared his ideas. He communicated his needs. He allowed himself to rest. But he also showed up consistently. People began to respect him, not just for his skill, but for the steadiness of his character. And slowly, Liam built a name that could not be replaced. You are valuable, but people cannot see your worth if you bury yourself in silence, and they cannot rely on you if you disappear too often. Your strength is not just in what you do, it is in how you show up. Be valuable, be visible, be reliable. That is the balance. That is your worth. Thank you for watching. If this story resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you grow. See you next time.